Falling on your feet, do you finally see what you're missing?
Welcome back to my channel. I have a triple unboxing to do in this video. I have all those three boxes. I remember at some point I asked a question about which kind of videos you'd like me to do on my channel, and my friend Laura Lux, she said that she is enjoying my unboxing videos. So yeah, I put together all these three boxes, and some of them I picked inside, but I haven't used anything, and I want to share with you the content of the box. Before jumping into the unboxing, I want to share something with you. I even don't know how to begin. Joining this wonderful network, the beauty or the YouTube community, it's coming with benefit of knowing or of meeting wonderful people. And you oftentimes end up making friends. So this was the case with Nancy Round. I want to give you this sad news for those of you who don't know that Nancy Round has passed away 2 months ago. And I barely found out that yesterday. She was just a lovely present, a kind and humble soul. I have started following Nancy maybe 2 to 3 years back. She was so kind, so generous, so supportive. She was one of those people that was watching your videos till the end, always with a kind word left behind. I have just noticed maybe a while ago that she's not posting anymore. And like usually it's happening when someone is not posting, we all are thinking that, yeah, they got busy, they got fed up. I even went to a point where when I did not post a month or so. So we are all busy and life gets in our way. And then I said that this is strange because she was loving what she was doing. She wanted to share her life, her passion for wine, for reading, for hauls. She was loving buying on Temu, and she was doing every week a lovely haul Temu. She was into wigs, accessories, everything beauty. She had so beautiful costumes. I was just loving the way she could just dress up to bring a piece of her soul to us. I wanted to say I'm happy that I get to meet Nancy. She was just a beautiful soul, the kind person that was always starting her videos with "Thank you so much for taking a piece of your time to spend it with me. I really appreciate that, and I want you to know that this means the world to me." I'm just, yeah. So rest in peace, Nancy, and yes, this is your signature. Hashtag Nancy has no idea. Alright you guys, moving on with the haul. I have 3 packages to share with you. 2 are boxes and 1 is haul. So maybe I'm going to start with the Beautylish haul. This was actually placed during the Beautylish gift card event that was back in March. So if you don't know what that it is, it's basically the semi-annual event on beautylish.com, where for each $100 that you purchase, $20 are going to be credited back as a store credit to you. I mostly purchase from Beautylish my few day, and I'm purchasing them during this gift card event because to me what this means is that I'm getting my VAT back. This time I have been given a sample from Peter Thomas Roth. This is the Water Drench Hyaluronic Rich Barrier Moisturizer, 7 ml. This is going to be useful when I'm going to travel. I wanted from a long time to get my hands on some of those Viseart palettes, and this time they were having a gift with purchase that if you're purchasing from Viseart, I don't remember, I think it was $59 or $69, you are going to get a Petit 4 palette for free. And I purchased this one. This is the Petit Four Lila 2. This is the packaging, and I just love the fact that Viseart have this protection to put it on top of your palette so you can travel and it's more travel friendly. And you have 4 shades here that are absolutely beautiful. I love the quality of Viseart eyeshadow palettes. So this is the first palette that I purchased, and second, I wanted to have this, which is called Petit Matte Neutrals. This is one of the best eyeshadow palettes of all times, and it's also coming with a mirror. That one doesn't have a mirror. You have a mirror and this packaging which is wrapping completely and protects the eyeshadow palette, and of course you have the same protection, and all those shades are matte shades. I'm looking forward to using those. And as a gift with purchase, I got this Petit Four Violetta, which is absolutely stunning. Each palette has different color for the packaging, and this is the actual palette. Those 2 palettes, I have been already using them to create a look on the video that you have just seen on my channel, where I am sharing my empties and declutter with you. So if you check that look I have on, it's done using only shades from those 2 palettes. So I did a combination. This shade is absolutely stunning for lid. So stay tuned, because I'm going to do an updated video and I'm going to use everything I'm showing you today in a get ready with me try on video. And of course it cannot be a Beautylish haul or a Beautylish gift card haul if I am not going to purchase a Sonia G Brushes or more. And this time I wanted to go deep on her new releases. I didn't purchase a specific collection or a specific release or brush set. I just wanted to try a few of them. So I have purchased, I'm going to put the name on the screen because I'm not sure exactly which one is which. So this is the T3, and it's a pencil brush, but it's much bigger, but you still have enough control to work on your lower lashes, and it's very good for working and blending on your outer corner. Also you can blend your concealer or reach in narrow areas with this brush. This is the TS4. I think this is the Tradition Series 4. Some of them are limited edition, and it's a smaller version of this one. I find those brushes being very useful in my collection, and I do not have enough. The handle is just an artwork. This is the Builder M. This is a flat brush, and this is the same type of brush almost, but from a different collection. This is from Tradition 2, and this is from her regular line. This is not a limited edition, but I believe this one it is, and you can see the difference on the handles. Another brush is T4, also from the Tradition collection, and it's a blending brush for crease or for your outer V. And the last brush that I got this time is the TS. I think this is TS. No, this is the Builder S. And I purchased another brush from Beautylish and Iuliabrezuleanu series. So this is the brush 04. None of these brushes is washed or used. They are still new, on the same shape like the time when I received them. I'm going to wash them. I'm trying to take a picture before and after. Very excited that I was able to add those new few to my existing collection. Another exciting box is the Trendmood. So this is, I believe, the volume 24. This was launched in March, and I purchased this during my vacation in Romania. I remember I was driving, pull over and order the box because they go so fast. Sometimes they sell out within minutes, and this was also a good one. This is a heat protection serum or spray from the brand Bondi Boost. I have just used the hair mask from the same brand that was in another Trendmood box maybe a few months ago. It was a good one, so I'm looking forward to try another product from this brand, which we don't have here in Europe. So if I haven't mentioned, I think this box was retailing for around 42 or 45 US dollars, and they do ship in Europe, Canada, and in a few other countries. Also for Europe, there are additional taxes and shipping, but even so, it's still worth for the amount of the products that are inside, and also to me, because I do not have access to some brands that are not available here in Europe. So through Trendbox, I have this amazing opportunity. So I'm very thankful every time she releases a new box. I can purchase it and share it with you, and also try the products that I cannot access. Okay, all right, another skincare product that is included in the box is by Pacifica, and this is a Future Youth Gravity Rebound Serum with flora and peptide, strawberry oil and flowers. Protect your skin barrier and improve the appearance of elasticity and firmness with our most advanced formulation that blends biotechnology with nature. Looks nice. I'm excited to use it, but I'm not going to open it because I still have a few serums that are waiting to be opened, so I don't know exactly which one is going to be first. So for this reason, I don't want to waste the product. Next, we have a Cheeky Rose by Winky Lux, and I believe there were more options to get with this box, so it was just a random selection. I got the shade Lovely, which is very lovely indeed. It's a cool pink. Just for your reference, Lovely is this one, and it's the most cool toned. And also you can have a 25% on the Winky List website using this code, which is not an affiliate code. As I'm running out of time, I'm going to insert close-up or swatches for the products that are included on this box. Next, we have been given not one but two shades of the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Lip Velvet. So how cool is that? We have two lipsticks. I think I'm going to keep one, and one I'm going to give it away because it is too dark for me. So we have the shade Parchment, which is a dark neutral shade, or darker for me, and the Peachy Nude, which I believe is the shade that is going to match me. And I love the fact that you have the shade name here, and also what the shade looks like, not only the name. And another product from Anastasia Beverly Hills is the Brow Freeze Gel. I heard many people loving this, and they say that helps to keep your brows in place. The packaging is nice and slick. Look at the brush. I wasn't expecting to look like that. Now when I'm showing you products, I all the time see when I'm editing that is not in focus. So for this reason, I might do close-ups. Next we have an e.l.f. This is a glossy lip stain in the shade Spicy Sienna. I love to get e.l.f. products. Actually, I might do another e.l.f. haul because they have new things that I want to try, like for example the new setting spray. I think I have another one of this now that I see it. So it's a lip stain, it's not that intense. And the last product that has made me pull the trigger and get the box, it's, as I mentioned, some of the brands that I cannot get in here. I can order from their website, but I cannot have it here. It's from M Cosmetics. So we never had an eyeshadow palette from M Cosmetics, and this is so beautiful. The name is Faded Clementine. So beautiful. So those are the shadows inside. Now I'm glad that I got this one because I do not have this kind of colors in my collection. I do not have, or at least not in a eyeshadow palette. Good things. Oh no, I spoil it. It's just an eyeshadow palette. Anyway, it's going to be used. The last thing that I wanted to share with you, and it's going to be really brief, is this Ole Henriksen and Cult Beauty Edit box. Every now and again, and even when I'm recording this video, Cult Beauty has another or two edit boxes to purchase from them. And with Cult Beauty, always the shipping is free. So this is what the box looks like. Now this box is sold out, but I want to just to see what you can get in this kind of edit boxes from Cult Beauty. I have done a short video or a reel when this box was available when I received it. So I'm going to show you very quickly what we have inside. So we have the Strength Trainer Peptide Booster Moisturizer, which is a travel size. This is one of their new products, and many people swear by it. I was very excited for the cleanser because I'm running low on the Body Shop one, and anyway I hate that one. I want to finish it because of the packaging. This is the Truth Juice Daily Cleanser, and it's a full size 150 ml, looks like so. The next full size product was this Dewtopia 25% Acid Flash Facial that has 10% AHA, 15% BHA and Scandinavian rowan berry extract. Full size. This is a travel size of their toner, what is called the facial toner, 65 ml. And the last product that was included here, and it's a travel size, 3 ml. This is the Banana Bright Eye Cream. For sure I'm going to take her with me in my upcoming vacations. Hi guys, I thought I'm going to jump in this haul because it's not yet uploaded, and I went over the weekend and purchased a few products from Chanel. I purchased 2 nail polishes. Now I'm going to show you the shades are 947 Desire and 963 Super Lune. As you can tell, I have them on my nails. So I have the red one, is this one. The red one is the Super Line, and Desire is this one. I'm very much into this kind of colors, and also I have another nail polish from Chanel. They are very good, very long lasting, and I find they have nice colors. You don't find those colors so often on other brands. But what I don't like is not this kind. This is just a cap that you put on the top of the brush, or a cap brush. The brush itself, it's not very high quality. It's flimsy and difficult to apply. You can easily paint over the nails. Now I don't understand why I did not use, because I have some nail guides to help with this, but I forgot about them. But I think it's still an improvement compared to the previous nail polish that I have from Chanel. So they have done some improvement. I heard about that, but I still don't like. I hate the brush. And another thing that I purchased from Chanel, it's a Stylo U waterproof, so long-lasting eyeliner in the shade 72 or rose. Means golden rose or rose. This one I haven't used. I have just tested in the store. This is the color here. If I put it here, you might see it. It's a pretty golden rose shade. I thought it will work well on my lids during summer. I don't have it on, but I could have been using it. Maybe I will try right now to use it as an accent. Of course, like all mechanic pencils, you have this sharpener if you want to make a pointy tip. This is everything I wanted to share with you, and I want to thank you all for requesting this kind of videos, and please let me know down below in your comments what type of videos you prefer to see. And I wanted to share something with you that I forgot to say in the beginning of the video when I was mentioning about Nancy. Do not sleep on people getting busy. Do not sleep on people not giving you attention. Try to reach out. Thank you again for taking a piece of your time to spend with me on this platform. Have a blessed day ahead and be happy in everything you are doing. Bye, you guys.